Larry here, mail call day. Welcome to Larry Fountain Pens, wherever it may be, whatever it may be. Heck, I don't know, man. All I know is that I got this here box, and it's mail call day, and I got this here butcher knife, and we're going to cut it open, and we're going to see what's in it. And to be honest with you, this is from Goulet Pens. I ordered it a few months ago, but since the pandemic's been here, they haven't been able to get into the warehouse to get all the orders out and packed out. But hey, it came in yesterday, in fact, so here it is. The most important part is that everybody was safe and they didn't rush it to get in there to get orders out because, you know, God help them, you don't want to get that bug. So here we go. Here we go. Oh, here it is, Mr. Announcer.
Yay.
Tootsie Pop. La la la. And here's all the goodies. And right here I got me a clip from my Kaweco. And we appreciate your business in this challenging time. Yep, they did it in Noodler's Blue. Randall, all right, cool, cool. And much needed stuff. I use the Goulet Pacific Tomoe River 52Gs for my traveler's passport notebook, and I use the Goulet Pacifically Tomoe River paper 52Gs for my traveler's notebook. This is all I use. Favorite paper, and Goulet makes an affordable, incredible notebooks. Tomoe River paper, my favorite. Perfect size, perfect price. What else? And got a A5 Tomoe River notebook, which will be going out to somebody soon. And what else I got? I got a cool, beautiful ink color. Look at that. Isn't that cool, the colors? That is so cool. Love the colors. Love the colors. And I got a fish. I'm a fish. Okay. And got here packing slip. And then, folks, that's all going to do it. Be safe. God bless. Take care. Wash your hands. And don't text and drive. Goodbye. Later.